Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're just viewing this channel for the first time, kindly click on the subscribe button. In this video, I'm going to teach you on how to become a ghostwriter as a complete beginner. The number one first thing you need to know is what is ghostwriting. Ghostwriting is not just writing anything. It is a type of writing that big companies pay hundreds of dollars for with a good reason. A ghostwriter is a person who is paid to write for something else. He is paid for his job and the client takes all the credit for his work. Wow. So all you do is write, put yourself in front of the rich guys and get paid good money for it. So you just need to know what you are writing on so as to earn money. Mind you, I'm just giving you a review of this. Kindly pause this video while you read this. What does ghost writing entails? I can see the enthusiasm in you. What you just need to do now so as to help me is click on the notification button so as to subscribe and on the bell notification. Thank you. Calm your nerves, calm your nerves. Who is ghostwriting income generator for? New babes. Second, writers. And third, non-writers. Okay, is shook. Okay, newbies, this course is for you if you are a total newbie to the ghostwriting world and wish to learn. This course will teach you these skills and then show you how to apply to these companies and earn money. It's very important. If you're following me step by step, I'm going to show you a link after this video. Just kindly click on it and register. The second categories are writers. This course is for you if you're already a writer but do not know where to get clients or you are underpaid. It will introduce you to these big companies that can pay you hundreds to thousands of dollars. I have so many of these companies and sites where you can get paid. Goodnovel.com, Opera News, Pro Bloggers, Upwork, Awil, Jericho Writer, and more of it. Just kindly subscribe to this channel and you get the link where you get to register on a site where you know more about this. The last category is this course is for you if you are too busy to learn ghostwriting but you want another source of income. It will show you how to earn from ghostwriting without actually having to write. It is a proven technique that you can use to make over $300 monthly without writing. I'm going to teach you how to earn from this ghostwriting. Kindly pause this video while we watch that. How much do ghostwriters make? Now there are questions which you ask yourself. So many of you are asking yourself, can I actually make, I don't know how to write. Can I actually make money in this? You're going to buy a course which I'm going to drop on my link. While you follow that link, it will take you to a platform where you're going to pay. And after when you pay, you're going to get full access to that where you are going to learn step by step on how to make money on this. These are the questions you're going to ask yourself. Number one is, what is ghostwriting? Number two is, what is ghostwriting not? Then the last one, which I'll just say, is why be a ghostwriter? Like, do you actually need to be a ghostwriter? That is it. So you'll be learning much about this. Just kindly click on that link, register now so as to get the course and you learn more about it. Thank you for watching my channel. I'm so blessed to have you subscribed on my channel. Thank you. God bless you.